In this video, I am going to explain the difference between similar and congruent triangles as well as the conditions that are necessary for congruency and similarity of the triangles. So, let us start first of all about the main difference in similar and congruent triangles. Now, the similar triangles and congruent triangles, now these two triangles, they are exactly same. These two can fit on each other, their lengths are same, their angles are same, so I call them congruent. They are congruent triangles. Whereas if you are talking about similar triangles, then these triangles, now this one is an enlargement of this triangle. So, shape is same, shape is exactly the same, but the difference is of size. This one is smaller, this one is larger, shape is same, so they are similar. Now, what are basically the main characteristics? So, in congruent triangles, now I am talking about congruent. In congruent triangles, all the corresponding angles are equal, which means angle A is equal to angle X in the correspondence of these two triangles. Angle B and angle Y, angle B of this triangle and angle Y of this triangle, they are equal. Angle C and angle Z are equal. So, corresponding angles are equal. This is the case for congruent. This also applies in similar. When I am talking about similar triangles, all the corresponding angles are equal here too. Angle A is equal to angle X, angle B is equal to angle Y, and angle C is equal to angle Z. So, for first condition, it applies to both of similar as well as to congruent. Now, the second condition, or the second, you can say, the property for congruent triangle is that all the corresponding sides are equal. The length of the corresponding sides, for example, the length of AB and length of XY is same here. Similarly, the length of BC and length of YZ is same, and the length of AC and XZ is equal. So, corresponding sides are equal in length. However, if you are talking about similar triangles, you don't have equal lengths in this case. Ratio mean the division of the corresponding sides will give you the same answer. For example, AB over XY. Now, if you will divide AB with its corresponding side, that is XY, you will get an answer, suppose whatever it will be. Now, that will be equal. The answer for this ratio will be equal to the ratio of the sides BC divided by YZ, and this ratio will be equal to the ratio of the third corresponding sides, that is AC divided by YZ. Suppose the answer of AB over XY, if the answer of division, suppose this is of 2 centimeter and this is of 4 centimeter. So, 2 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now, this is the answer of first ratio. Then this must be equal to 1 by 2, the division of these two sides, and this must be equal to 1 by 2. The answer, the ratio in simplest form will be equal to 1 by 2. So, all the ratios are same. So, in similar triangles, ratio of corresponding sides are same. Now, let us talk about the conditions that are required for a triangle to be congruent and similar. For congruent, there must be at least two sides of one triangle that should be equal to two sides of other triangle, as well as one angle of one triangle should be equal to the corresponding angle of the other triangle. So, two sides of one triangle and one angle of that triangle is equal to the two sides of the other triangle as well as the angle. This is one of the condition. The next one is SSS, means side, side, side. In this case, three sides of one triangle, they are equal to the three sides of the other triangle which we are talking about. And the next one is SAA, which means one side and two angles, A for angle, one side and two angles of one triangle will be equal to one side and two angles of the other triangle. So, these are the conditions for congruency. And for similarity, if the triangles are similar, then what are the conditions, minimum condition, that one of them is two pair of sides are in the same ratio and the included angle are equal, which means if you are going to divide AB over XY, now this ratio should be equal to BC over YZ. So, these ratio should be equal, two pair of sides are in the same ratio and the included angles are equal. Included angles mean the angle between these two sides. For example, angle between AB and BC, suppose if in a triangle, if you have this is A, this is B, this is C, no, this is included angle. Similarly, you have got XYZ, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So, this is the included angle. So, two pair of sides are in the same ratio and the included angles are equal. Next one is the other condition, the three pairs of sides are in the same ratio. So, which means AB over XY, the ratio of one of the corresponding sides should be equal to ratio of the second corresponding sides, and that should be equal to the ratio of the third corresponding sides. So, these are the minimum conditions that are necessary for triangles to be congruent as well as for similar. That is about similarity and congruency. Thank you so much.